And a good midday Thursday to you, Roger Hill of Wuthering Heights. This weather video is driven by 802cars.com, representing 802 Toyota, Twin City Subaru, 802 Honda, all located off of exit 7 on Interstate 89. Here's our area of low pressure. This is at surface. This is at 500 millibars. It's vertically stacked. That means they don't go anywhere very fast. And this system is only going to drift very slowly and very gradually out of the region. Its counterclockwise circulation is going to continue to bring periods of light snow and snow shower activity, and generally flurries east of the Green Mountains. A little minor accumulation still yet to be expected atop the Green Mountains, with additional snowfall of some already incredible snowfall amounts. Off to the west of us, we have an area of higher pressure. This is a high pressure ridge, and the northernmost extent of this is going to be working in from Canada and Ontario and ridging in and eventually kicking this puppy out of here. And we should have probably a 2.5, maybe even a 3-day stretch of weather, of dry project weather. That'll come with colder temperatures as well. It looks like we'll see temperatures dip down below 0 degrees starting really Saturday night into Sunday night as well as Monday night, and then temperatures moderate slowly back up. We do have another weather system that probably will affect us for the middle part to the late part of next week. This is going to be another snowfall. It has some potential for some wet snow loading, but it is beyond this period. Quick look at the temperature schematic. You can see 20s and basically some chilly temperatures up in these parts. And if I was to pull these down here, you can see that these temperatures are close to 0 degrees, even some minus temperatures. And this is a pretty cold air mass here that's going to be pushing, looks like, in from parts of northern Canada. So this whole combination and setup here, with the decent snowpack that we have on the ground now, great insulation from the earth, we should not have too much of a problem to see very strong radiational cooling aspects really starting Saturday night and on into about Tuesday morning. Okay, looking at the 6-hourly progressions, you can see still some snow shower and flurry activity sort of cranked up along the spine of the Green Mountains and points west generally. Occasionally some of those flurries will flop over. And winds will stay under thresholds, and it looks like we could see gusts up around 30-35 miles per hour at summit levels, maybe approaching 40, but nothing that's going to get down on the valley floors. Now, by this point, you're looking at some clearing skies as we get into basically Saturday morning. And by Saturday afternoon, we should see a ton of sunshine. There's that area of higher pressure ridging in west of Hudson Bay, James Bay, Canada, up in this general area here. And this will continue to do that, providing a decent stretch of dry weather. All good. Good project weather to be expected Monday, Tuesday, potentially even into part of Wednesday before this next weather system comes in at us. And this is our potential next nor'easter. A little bit of a different look. And it's still pretty juiced up. We also have a little bit of warm air squirting in out ahead of it. So what snow loading properties could be getting close, but this is a long ways out. We're looking at day 7. And this is right now the private weather stations as well as the airports. You can see the temperatures are ranging in the 20s to some mid-30s. Back to modeling GFS ensemble. You can kind of see a slow slide here. All cold enough to snow until we get into the 21st, 22nd of March, and that's our next big weather maker. So just some flurry, and the stuff seems like it'll never end. It'll finally get out of here, it looks like, on Saturday morning, but we're not looking at anything major. And GFS ensemble centered on Burlington. That, again, shows those temperatures getting below 0 with these particular areas seeing the coldest temperatures. This is at 850 hectopascals, and this will be the 0 degree centigrade line, so anything warmer than that above the freezing mark, potential for rain or a mix. Looks like we have no issues there. So maximum high temperatures of the next 5 days, running about 9 to 12 degrees below normal for this time of year. And a good section of the country, except for the southern Gulf of Mexico region back into the southeast states, is going to be actually below normal. And 3 days later, pretty cold shot of air up in Canada. Things have changed up in the Arctic. Note, it's cold up in the Arctic where it should be. Just a little bit of a warm issue here east of Greenland generally. Well, we've seen colder weather infiltrate, and it is edging into parts of northern Asia and also northern Canada. We do have this anomaly here near Alaska as well, another anomaly over Quebec, and warmer than normal temperatures with this ridge of higher pressure. But colder air eventually is going to be seeping in over the weekend. That's it from here. Thanks for watching. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.